Hi there folks, welcome back to the channel. It's nice to see you all again. I want to show off Cape Town, but here's a special part we spent some time at this week. It's called GLENCAIRN, a quiet and tranquil hideaway at the end of the road. That is the end of the road from Cape Town towards Simonstown. It's the middle of winter and I woke up to a nice early sunrise at about 7 o'clock. The tidal pool here is a welcome resort for those that are into a little bit of cold water swimming before work in the morning. There in the distance is the formerly Union of South Africa Navy base and town of Simonstown. And here we have the peak. It's had a little bit of fire damage, but it's good to see it recovering. And yeah, Glen Beach, definitely a place to take the dogs for a walk and enjoy a peaceful sunrise early in the morning. Looking through the valley, you can see the road going up towards Notuk and coming down to where we stayed over here. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and stay tuned for the next episode as I take you for a peek around that corner there.